how to make pharmacy medicine delivery application. In this video, we will understand the complete detail. Check out our latest application ready to launch for your pharmacy delivery, medicine delivery services. In this application, when you open the app, it will show banners like this. It will automatically take the customer location, and now a customer can order by prescription or he can also order by category. Now your customer can see all the categories, they can order by them, or they can also see your available products. You can also upload your already available products like food products, skincare, or any other product. When a customer upload prescription, the prescription will come to you, and according to that you can add product to customer cart and customer can pay then for the order. Isn't that amazing? If you want to make your own online medicine delivery application like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you and make your own medicine delivery application.